So what's the name of the channel?
Model Rockets 321.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Keith from Model Rockets 321. We are doing a launch today. We're going to be flying 3 right here, right now. I got the Helio-Copter set up, this classic rockets from the 80s. Had this one when I was a kid, and I got one again. This is not my build, but I just kind of fixed it up, got it all ready to go. So we're going to be doing some flights today. Let's go with Model Rockets 321. Also, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, check the links below, check for the cards. There are 2 sets of cards left as of this video, so if you want to get a pack of the Model Rockets 321 trading cards, go on and do that. Support the channel any way you can. Let's go. All right, here we go, guys. We got the Helio-Copter going on a C-65. This rocket has a helicopter in the nose cone, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Real high on a C-65. I see tracking smoke, and there we go. We got the body, and I see the helicopter blades coming down. I mean, directly above us, like right here. Both far I see them. Oh, look at the blades. That is cool. Look at the helicopter blades. I don't know if you guys, hope you can see that. Let's keep my eyes on everything. They're kind of close to each other. They're real close. Nice. You see the blades, Marcy? That is pretty cool. A Helio-Copter. One of those vintage birds, vintage helicopter, vintage rockets. So let's head on over. The blades are coming down. And the rocket's coming down. The blades are going to touch down right in front of me. Everything's pretty close. That was nice. Very nice on a C-65 overcast day. Touchdown of both. It's Model Rockets 321. Also, guys, Happy New Year to you. There's the blades. Oh, that was nice. Very nice performer. Let me go over here. Got to get behind these bushes and grab the sustainer. There we go. Nice performer. Nice performance of this old vintage bird. So, all right, there we go. Good deal on the C-65. We have some cloud cover, but everything stayed. We'll be well below the clouds. The ceiling's pretty high up. It's way up there, so we're good. We're good. All right, let's go. Let's get some more. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Helio-Copter. All right, guys, next up we got the Saturn V. This is the pre-built, ready to fly Estes version. I flew this one a while ago. They actually fly pretty good. I got a C6 or C53s in here, so it should get up there pretty good on a C53. And in the background you can see my SpaceX Falcon 9 ready to go, also on a C53 when it's time. Just gonna have him hanging out in the background while the Saturn V gets busy. This one will go on a C53 also, but for right now, let's get the mighty Saturn V going. Here we go. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. And we got parachute. It's out. And we are good. We are good. A lot of smoke came out of that C53. Coming down, coming down. Here we go, and touching down right there. Let's check those fins, because on the last flight when I had this out here a while ago, I actually broke a fin. Let's see, everything survived. We got more broken fins. Yeah, another fin popped off. It's the same one. Here it is right here. Look like it's the same one, the one I glued. So one broken fin again. It's the same fin. Yeah, these need to really be stronger. It seems to want to land on that same side, but overall, it's a nice flying rocket. Nice flying rocket, but these are weak fins right here. These are pretty weak, especially land on this ground out here. If it's land on grass, it may survive, but nice boost though. Nice boost on the C53 to Super C. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Check the links below. Support any way you can. Look at that burned up shock core. I had a decent amount of wadding in there, but I'm going to be switching that out to Kevlar, and Kevlar we trust. Also, I sell Kevlar. Check the links below. It's in the shop. You can get 10 feet of Kevlar from me. Model Rockets 321. Let's go.
Attention Rocketeers, for the very first time, you can get your hands on an exclusive set of model rocket trading cards by Model Rockets 321. These cards have been carefully created and represent a groundbreaking first in the world of rocketry with their glossy UV-coated finish. These collectibles are a must-have for anyone passionate about space and rocketry. This 12-card set includes detailed descriptions on the back of each card, plus 3 limited edition cards that will be vaulted after this release. Don't miss out. Secure your set right now by clicking the link in the bio.
All right, guys, last but not least, we got the SpaceX Falcon 9. Got the Dragon ship up top. About to fly this guy on a C-53. I had to tape those landing legs around. I just didn't want them flopping around. I just put a little piece of tape around there. I forgot a rubber band, something more low profile, but that'll work out. We're gonna get this guy in the air on the C-53. So let's check it out. Model Rock 321. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in a moment. Guys, here we go. We got the SpaceX Falcon 9, last flight of the day, going on a C-53, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Nice straight flight. Very little wind today. We got ejection happen. We got parachute on the SpaceX Falcon 9. Drifting over this way a little bit. Nice flight. Nice flight of the Max Q kit. Coming down. Near me. Let's see how those fins survive. And we got a broken fin. I think that's a broken fin, no? Yeah? Oh yeah, that fin's definitely cracked. I watched it happen. That's a cracked fin. So yeah, these kind of fins like this, guys, they are, on this ground anyway, they are pretty weak. So we got 2 broken fins of these flight fins out here today. The Estes one broke and the Max Q one's broke. So this was the last flight of the day anyway, but a nice performing rocket. The Max Q Falcon 9, very nicely done. Very nicely done. Cool. No complaints at all out of that other than the broken fin. And I did do a review on this where I had to take the grid fins off because they were kind of weak. They're not on pretty tight. And I had to get another part replaced. But overall, a pretty decent day. Stay tuned for the debriefing on all flights. It's Model Rock 321, guys. See you in a little bit. What's going on, guys? Model Rocks 321 here, back. We are here with the debrief. It is debriefing time. Flew 3 rockets today. Pulled out the vintage Helio-Copter, which flew excellent. It was a great flight on a C-65. Here's that burnt engine. Helicopter, or the rotor blades are inside of the cone. It gave a nice twirl. It gave that nice little red spin as it came down. It was pretty nice. Very, very good flight. Very happy with this rocket. Very old one. Very old rocket. Been around since the late 80s, going into the 90s. It ran for a few years and they discontinued it. But the Helio-Copters are pretty good. It's a pretty good one. It's fun. You know, you get the booster comes down on a parachute. Cone comes down with the rotor blades. Very, very nice rocket. You can see it, the little spinner thing there, symbolizing as the cone spins. Got the same look. So that was the first flight of the day. Great one. Nothing went wrong. Nothing broke. But I wish I could say the same for these 2 guys. Following those, I went with the Saturn V, the RTF version, the ready to fly one, and great boost, great flying rocket on a C-53 engine, all plastic construction. I really liked it. I don't mind the ready to flies, like especially the scale ones. It saves you some work. You don't have to do anything. You just get it, pop an engine in, and you go. You know, I don't mind building, but this is it's nice to fly these. You know, sent that one up on a C-53, like perfect amount of power for it. Put it up there pretty high, and it was a great flight. Great flight. Sadly, when it came down, it landed on the same fin that had broken before. Months ago, I flew this rocket, and it hit this same fin and it snapped it. Broke in the same place. You can see here where I had my old glue, but I'll just glue it back on again. There's nothing you can do about that. It landed and it snapped it off. You know, the ground is not, it's hard ground, but it's not super hard out there. Dirt is loose because we did have some rain here recently, so it's not like concrete like somebody I know, Don, like to call it. So other than that, easy fix, great flying rocket. At least the tip's not broken or something like that. But you know, it's the mighty Saturn V. Great scale model, great scale rocket. You can get these from SDs. They're over there. I like how they got the little screw-in nozzle. And they really did a good job. Like, it's a brown tube inside here. Like the motor fits in there really well. Like, it's not like jostling all around. 'Cause I've seen this design before, and it's like the engine kind of just wobbles around and stuff until you batten it down. But this, they go in there. It's pretty good. It's a nice, nice secure fit. Pretty cool. Nice little deal there. You screw on nozzle retainer. So that was the second flight, the Saturn V, and it went, like I said, it went well overall. Last but not least was the Max Q Space X. Let me get this off here. You can see I added the burns to mine. I wanted to, you know, change it up a little. I just didn't want it all plain white. I added the burns as it's re-entering, staging and re-entry burns. So yeah, so that's the deal with mine. I'm waiting on a part on the guy, I think his name, I mentioned his name, Randall, I believe. He's going to be sending me some struts for one of these pieces. One of these don't have struts. Yes, this one right here don't have struts because they actually got broken. It was already split. It was split when I got it. I took it out of the pack. We were ready to build this thing, and it was split. Just the print was too thin. It was just too thin. So he sent me another set. Now I'm going to have to get another set of these fins. I may glue it, but I just got a feeling this is not flying on grass. We're going to get another broken fin. So as you can see, I'm just trying to get this piece screwed off here. It had this screw-on retainer. I'm trying to get that off here. If I can get it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of a weird fit between these hinges and the fins and everything else. Just trying to get this piece off. It has a few threads. You just gotta. Yeah, there we go. It's not a whole lot of threads that we should be coming off. There we go. There we go. There we go. So actually I did put that one up on it. Yeah, it was on a C53 because I had my motors in the night before. So C53, two C53s and a C65 as far as the flights today, these guys here. Like I said, it went well. I like this retaining system. Pretty cool. Just got to be a little careful getting that on there. But yeah, Falcon 9 went great. Great flight. Crew Dragon right there. Let's get these landing legs out. Got all my burns on there. And it would come on down like this, as you guys have seen many times. And you just sit on the pad like that. But yeah, nice rocket though, really straight, true. It was a great flight, great flight. I no complaints about the flight at all on this guy. All 3D printed. Good job, good job. But like I said, this strut right here is missing because the hinge piece, this piece here was split. It was just too thin. So he's sending me that again. Hopefully send me both. If not, I'll work it. But the grid fins, these just fit very loosely. These the grid fins, you can't fly it with it on or you'll be taping some more stuff. They just too loose, just too loose. I wish they had a tighter fit. These need to be a little more true. They go on like that. I'd love to fly it with these things, but maybe if I can get a pin through them. I'm thinking like some kind of system where you can get a hole to go all the way through, just where they're just on there. I mean, just. But it is pretty nice to get them to stay out like that, like that. Of course, they're very loose. Like I said, these are loose. You touch them and they'll fall off. But yeah, they seem to be staying right now, but they are not true. I don't believe that. So, but yeah, very good, good kit overall. I like the Max Q line so far. They have a few more. They have some ULA stuff and they have the SLS. So I will be looking at them again. But this right here, man, this broke. Look at this. The day of the plastic fin is breaking. But yeah, there we go, man. There we have it. There we have it. Like I said, overall, good day for flying. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hit the thumb up if you haven't already. And check the website. Check the links below. I'll drop the link in there for the site. You can go see if there's anything you want. You can get some stickers or something. I'll ship it out to you. Check the card. 2 sets of cards left. As of this video, I'm not sure. By now, they may all be gone, but set number 1 will be gone. So, if you guys interested in something, get on over to Model Rockets to the website, which the link is below, and go on and place your order. And I will catch you guys on another video. Hope you enjoyed the flights. It's Model Rockets 3, 2, 1.